Hello everyone, this is Akash. Today I will be speaking on how to tackle Chinese influence against India. China, China share territorial and a land border with India, and hence it is hostile country for the India. What are the conflicts between India and China? First of all, border dispute between India and China. Territory such as Arunachal Pradesh and Siachen are being disputed between both. China often claims that they are the integrated part of China, but they are not. And second, China wants to be influential country in Asia, and for that it used its trade dominance. It supplies low quality cheap product in India, which discourage the manufacturing sector in India and the entrepreneurs.
भाई
Then
भगत सिंह जैसे बन गए
India,
हैं ना,
then
वो भी
China
कुछ कर
also
देते लेकिन वो
help Pakistan
जिंदा नहीं
intensively
रहते।
to tackle with India and to involve India with them. China China extensively supply its arms and ammunition to Pakistan, and which 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 most often used against India by Pakistan, and by supplying weaponries to them, they act Pakistan territory act as testing ground for Chinese weaponries, and to influence India. China also use Indian close neighbors against India. Against India, yes, by promising them to develop infrastructure and good promises with them. What are the solutions? Solutions are regular engagement with Chinese against Chinese for better better solution of land disputes. Then to tackle with the trade, we should balance our trade by putting high duties on Chinese cheap products and discouraging them, and also promoting the Indian farms and manufacturing units there by extending the subsidies, etc. Then India need to be closely coordinated. I mean, say extend dialogue with their close neighbors to tackle with the Chinese influence on them and their politics. And these are the solutions. Well, whether it is China or Pakistan, neighbors are often being found hostile. But by being bilaterally engaged, or regularly engaged, by inviting for the dialogue, by inviting for the sports and other things would render future threats and influence. Thank you so much. This is Saka.
आया नहीं आया, अब वो इतना आलसी है, आ गया तो ठीक है, नहीं